This is Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and today we're working on a Range Rover Sport. And basically what we're doing to this is we're going to do the whole interior, and if I just show you the state of it at the moment, it's obviously seen better days. It's the usual bolster damage, which we'll sand down, fix, and then basically recolour to bring this back up. And if you can see the seats, the dirt is actually ingrained there, so that will need a colour as well. And also, if you look, there's little bits around the car that just leave it looking a little bit untidy, which we can sort out. And if we look in the passenger seat, again, there's little sort of paint marks, just general wear and tear. So we'll give this a full recolour, and that should come up pretty much as good as new. And also the back seat, not too bad. There's a few little, if I just zoom in there, a few little sort of snags there that we can sort out as well. So basically we need to get this car into sort of showroom condition, and that's what we intend to do. And this car should look absolutely superb when finished, and it is a nice Range Rover Sport. So this is Wayne signing off from Mobile Leather Repairs. If you need your leather car seats, sofas repairing, please give us a call on 07904 640 389, and there it is actually on the van there, look, so you can see for yourself. Okay, and we come to you as well. We'll come to you at your home or your business and pretty much do any car, classic cars, modern cars, then we can sort it for you. Okay, so it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, www.mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk.